Some South Dakota lawmakers want to change state law in order to legally allow TNR, which stands for trap, neuter, and return. And as we told you earlier this month in one of our previous stories, the TNR program specifically tries to control and manage the population of feral cats. Feral cats, they are a problem in a lot of cities, including Sioux Falls.
It's bigger than you think.
Matt Tugas started the Sioux Empire TNR Coalition a year and a half ago. In our last story, he told us that he did it because he recognized there's a problem with feral cats and wants to control the population by trapping them, neutering them, and then returning them back into the community.
We don't really know exactly what's out there, but I can tell you from experience, if you put a trap downtown Sioux Falls, you're going to catch cats.
But they can't legally operate.
Doing what they're doing today, they're violating state law, so we want to make sure that they're not held liable, that they can continue their work.
State Representative Linda Duba and State Senator David Wheeler have co-sponsored a bill that would allow an exception to the law.
So I had a group in Huron come to me and say, we want to do this, but we're being told that the law doesn't allow it right now. I worked with individuals to find a way we could change that statute to make sure that these groups can do what they want to do.
Why do you support this bill, Linda?
Well, because it's a wise decision. We need to have this control of the population across the state, and it makes sense. And I like the idea that we're carving this out in state government so that cities can come out and change their ordinances to support what they're doing.
One of the biggest arguments here in Sioux Falls against something like this is the question of liability.
I don't see how the city would in any way be liable. We're changing a state statute that restricts what individuals can do. It'll be the choice of this nonprofit group in my community, or whether it's in Sioux Falls or anywhere, to do this. They're the ones taking upon the responsibility. They're taking that potential liability in hand, and I don't see any risk of liability for our city.
I don't either.
And the bill is scheduled to be heard in the local government committee on Friday morning.